Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual, I'll get to it. So, I don't know whether you can tell where this is. I just chatted about it in this one. So this is the same city. I really hope you can actually tell. If you're from Scotland, you should be able to tell where this is. Don't want to give too many details away, but you should be able to tell where this is. Really hope I've been able to capture it as well as what I think. Yeah, so I utilise the usual grid speed, creating the feedback loop along with geometric and gestural, and the feedback loop then provides the information that you need to improve, and the pointers that you and the feedback that you create so that you can improve, and the information that you hold on to so that you can keep that good work up and keep that going for increased skills. Yeah, I'm really quite happy with how this is going, and I'm really enjoying capturing this place that is very dear to me. Thanks, guys.